Hello guys, so today we are going to make this beautiful sunflower and daisy flower. You can use it as any kind of crochet, jewelry, hair accessories, and it can be used in many other things. So here I have made bookmarks, so you guys can also make it as a bookmark. So let's begin. Here I have taken the yarn and now we are starting with the magic circle. I hope you guys know how to make magic circle. If you don't know, please check out my channel. So in this magic circle we are going to work 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So guys, we are done with the first row. You can adjust this by pulling this thread. I'm using this thread as a marker. From here I'm going to work in second row. Okay, we have now 8 chains. In each chain we are going to increase. Okay, 2 single crochet in each chain. We are going to make 2 single crochet in each chain, so that makes our 16 chains in our second row. You can count it. Once you are done with this, you can count it. You will find 16 chains. So friends, we are in the third row now, and in third row I am going to make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and increase in third chain. 1 2. Again in the 2 chain we are going to do single crochet, and in the next we are going to increase. You have to continue this till the row ends. It ends here, and now we are going to attach the other yarn. So I am here making sunflower, so I am using this yellow yarn. You can use, if you are making daisy, you can use white. So once you attach the yarn, I am going to make here 2 chains, 1 and 2. Now yarn over and go through the loop, next loop. Yes, in the next loop, and pull the yarn. Now you have 3 yarn in your hook and you have to pull through 2 only, and again yarn over, and in the same chain you have to go through the loop, pull the yarn, and again pull through the 2. You have to do this 3 times and pull through 2. And now I am working in the next chain. Here in the same process you have to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, go through the loop, pull the yarn and pull through 2, and one more, yarn over, go through the loop, pull the yarn and pull through 2. Okay, now you have 7 chains in your hook, and now you have to pull through all. And now you have to make a chain 1, and after this you have to make a chain 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and now go into the same loop and slip stitch here. Now here you can see it makes a bubble here. Now skip the first chain, and in the second chain you have to do the same. You have to do slip stitch and make a chain 1 2 3, and in the same chain you have to yarn over and go through the loop, pull the yarn, pull through 2. You have to do this until this round ends. 3 times in each chain. Okay.